Now that you're logged into the Academy, here's how you start watching a course. First off, at the very top, you'll see that there's a number of ways that you could categorize these. So in the event you wanted to see, we'll say webinars, you can click on that, and all of the webinars will come up. If you wanted to click on, we'll say data visualization, the data visualization comes up. If you want to see both of those together, or maybe even data wrangling, you can unclick all of these to get content that's more specific to what you're looking for. Anytime you want to clear the filters, you can just click them again or press clear filters. So let's look at the first course, or the first course we're going to launch. So you'll see that many of these, actually all of them right now, say only for members, which means you need to be logged in you need to be a member of the Academy to actually view and consume the courses. However, there may be times in the future where there will be some content out there that's free content that is for people who aren't members. But anyways, that's how you view these. And you'll see over underneath, we'll look at Excel Dashboard Pro. It gives you some content here that gives you an idea of what the course is about even before you launch it. So now we'll click on Details. And our course is available to us. Now, with the course, it gives you an idea whether or not this is immediate, how many modules there are, and how many lessons there are. The modules, if you scroll down on the course page, it gives you an idea of the course structure. So it has, here's the module of Excel the dashboard primer. There's an idea over here on the right-hand side. It's 4 lessons. Move it a little further down. How do you work with formulas? There are 3 lessons on that. And for any of these, we can click and expand, and it gives you an idea of the lessons that are within that module. So at any time, you could click on any of those lessons and go into them. Over on the right-hand side, you'll also see all the lessons in the right-hand navigation bar as well, with the ability to collapse and expand those and click on the individual lessons. So let's grab one of these at random. We'll say Excel's calculation engine. We can click in here. This will bring the course and the video up.
In this section, we're going to talk about Excel's calculation sheet.
And we can view the course. Moving to another one, see the module structure. If we were just to click on the module instead of the individual lesson, we would be able to have viewed that as well. So that is how you start watching a course in the Excel TV Academy.